If you have questions that were generated in a Word or text document or came from the publisher in that format, or you use a question generator like the one seen here, and this one's from the Oklahoma Christian University, the link is below, you would add all of your different questions over here. And when you're done, you would generate questions. It'll give you all the questions in the appropriate format. And then you would click on Download Question Pool. And when you do that, you will get a test example, well, that's my title, zip file, which will be in your downloads folder. So now the next step is to go to one of your Ultra courses, either converted with content in it or a blank shell for the future semester. So I'll go to a converted course. I will then go to just wherever you want the test, okay? Go there. So what you want to do is go down here to Question Banks, Manage Banks, and then click this plus sign in the middle, and we want to import from file. So go to your downloads folder, go to your zip folder that you downloaded from the test generator, click open, and be patient. So now that particular set of questions is available for you in your test bank right down here. Now, how do you deploy it? Well, let's close this. Anywhere in your content area, wherever you want the particular quiz, and I'll just delete this test that I had here. We'll replace it. So let's say I want my quiz right at the top here, or it could be inside a module, it could be inside a folder, it could be anywhere really, okay? So I'll just put it here, and you can move it after. So what we want to do is we want to create, and we're going to create a test. And of course you'd give the test a proper title on the top. And then don't forget to have all of these settings ready as well. They might need to be adjusted according to what you need. But I'm going to click on this plus sign. And you would either add questions from scratch, so you can build up a test like this, or you can add question pool. And when you go to question pool, just scroll down. You will see that particular test right here. Now, if you click, you will see all of the different questions that were generated. Now, you can pick and choose. So if you're doing multiple versions, certainly you can copy this particular thing and rename it, etc. But you can pick and choose which questions you would like. So I'm going to say select all. I'm going to add the questions. And then don't forget you have to set the point value for each question, right? So there's 8 questions in the pool. You can randomize them later if you like. You can also say that I only want X number of questions. So if you imported, let's say 100 different questions and you want to randomly select only 20 of them, just say 20 over here. So I'm going to click save, and you can always go back and you can edit or delete this particular question. Okay, now you can go to view questions, and these are all of your questions. So if I click here and I edit, I can now edit that particular question. Okay. Now, if you had questions that were worth different point values, what I would do is create different pools. So you'd have one question bank, let's say for all 1 mark multiple choice questions, and then you can have a separate bank with, let's say, essay type questions, and you just import those banks or pools in. So in this case, if I had 100 multiple choice at 1 point each, I could do that and then say only show me X number of questions, and then I have a pool of 50 essay type questions, variations, and I'd say make that worth 5 points each.